Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale plant-based diets with Beyond Meat, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the fundamentals of a plant-based diet. Research the benefits of choosing plant-based options like those offered by Beyond Meat. Explore various types of Beyond Meat products available in the market. Identify which Beyond Meat products align with your dietary preferences. Incorporate Beyond Meat into your favorite recipes, such as tacos or spaghetti. Experiment with different cooking methods like grilling, sautéing, or baking. Pair Beyond Meat products with a variety of vegetables and whole grains for balanced meals. Consider meal prepping to make it easier to incorporate these products into your weekly diet. Look for community events or cooking classes that focus on plant-based eating. Connect with online resources and communities centered around plant-based diets. Make gradual changes to your diet to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Start by substituting 1 or 2 meals per week with Beyond Meat options. Monitor your energy levels and overall well-being as you transition. Try new flavorful spices and sauces to enhance the taste of your meals. Keep an eye out for sales and promotions to make plant-based eating more affordable. Document your journey through meal planning or journaling. Share your experience with friends or family to encourage them to try plant-based meals. Stay informed about the latest research and trends in plant-based nutrition. Adjust your diet based on your personal goals, whether they be health-focused or environmental. Remember that every small change counts towards a more sustainable lifestyle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.